As we come together to celebrate the joyous festival of Christmas, let us embrace the true spirit of love, peace, unity, and brotherhood that defines our beautiful state. Christmas is not just a festival, it's a celebration for everyone in Goa, a time when we unite as one community, transcending all barriers. Let us continue with the beautiful tradition which brings out the essence of Christmas, as also highlighting the uniqueness of Goa and Goans. As we light up our homes and hearts with joy, may this Christmas bring happiness, prosperity, and blessings to all. Let's continue to cherish this wonderful spirit that makes our Goa and Goans so special. Wishing you and your loved ones a Merry Christmas.
It has come to our notice that certain markers that were installed by DSLR surveyors on the 21st of December have been removed, and another survey has been done by RVNL contractor of the railways, and they have installed their markers, and we have evidence to this which is reported to us by the villagers of Molo. Now we fail to understand, is RVNL in charge of the state of Goa, or is the Goa government is in charge of the state? Because it seems that whatever the Goa government does or carries out the work, that the works of the railways or the South Western Railways or RVNL is far more supreme in considering the jurisdiction. At the moment, we hear that a lot of irregularities are taking place in this area which was demarcated on the 20th and 21st of December. We are going in the process of filing complaints to this end, but we expect the Revenue Department, the Survey Department, to take cognizance of the fact and to conduct another survey in this said land.